Hey Divi Nation, welcome to another installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away a brand new free Divi Layout Pack straight from our design team to you. And this week we have for you a brand new eSports Layout Pack. This eSports Layout Pack is a design masterpiece crafted with all the essentials needed for an eSports website. It has everything you need to promote esports leagues and tournaments in style. And the pages include featured sections to display teams, schedules, and CTAs for online registration. So check it out for yourself. Now go ahead and join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can use this new layout pack on your own website. Before you can start adding pre-made layouts using the Divi Builder, you must first authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription, which you can do by going to your WordPress dashboard and navigating to Divi Theme Options. Then click the Updates tab, enter your username and API key, and then click Save Changes. Now you'll have access to all of your pre-made layouts within the Divi Builder without any problems. Now you're ready to start creating your new pages with their corresponding pre-made layouts. To do that, go over to Pages, Add New. Enter a page title, and then click to use the Divi Builder. Select the option Choose a Pre-made Layout. From the Load from Library pop-up, find the eSports Layout Pack, and then click on it. There you'll see a preview of all the different layouts included in the pack on the right. Find the one you want and then click the Use This Layout button. Once the layout has loaded to your page, go ahead and publish it. Now you want to continue this same process to add all of your pages and then add your corresponding layouts to those pages. And once you're finished that, you're ready to add a new primary menu for your website. To do that, you can go over to Appearance, Menus. Go ahead and give your menu a name, and then click the Create Menu button. On the left, you'll see all of your pages that you've created with their corresponding layouts. Go ahead and select all of them, and then add them to your menu. In the menu structure area, you can organize your menu items however you like, and then don't forget to set your display location for primary menu and then click Save Menu. And for one last step, you'll want to create a static home page for your website. To do that, you can go over to Settings and then to Reading. Under your home page displays, go ahead and select a static page, and then for the home page, select your home page that you've created and then click Save Changes. Now your new website is up and running with the new eSports Layout Pack. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We sure do hope that you love the new Layout Pack. And don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. That way you don't miss out on any future freebies we'll be throwing your way. Thanks again for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.